Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Camille, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this sleek low bun on my 4C hair. If you're new, please feel free to subscribe down below and join the family, and if you're not new, welcome back guys. Hey y'all, so we're starting off on freshly washed blow dried hair, and I think this is very important. The preparation for this hairstyle needs to be done correctly. All right, now I gotta good. These are the products that we're going to be using today. Some extreme gel, got to be spray, hair wax, hair jam, and another hair jam for my edges. Also some castor oil for my scalp. Once I put the castor oil in my hair, I just give it a little massage. If you have fully natural 4C hair where it's not heat trained or anything, this hairstyle is going to be very difficult if you don't stretch it in some way, shape or form before you start doing it. Since my hair has gotten a little longer where I'm able to blow dry and flat iron it, it's become so much easier for me to comb, and I don't see myself wearing my hair in its fully 4C state because it's too hard to comb. It's almost as if you have to mentally prepare yourself to comb your hair if it's in its full 4C state, not being flat ironed, not blown out. It's too much for me. I'm really happy that I'm able to put my hair in a low bun because this was actually one of my favorite hairstyles to wear when I had relaxed hair. I'm being able to do this hairstyle now when my hair is not relaxed, no chemicals. I'm really happy. Getting your hair in a sleek low bun on 4C hair, it's mainly about molding and shaping. A lot of brushing, just molding your hair to get it into place. Once I'm done brushing my hair, I just mold it into a ponytail. I don't really stress too much to grab up my hair too tight, especially around the back, because if I do that now, I know I'm going to lose it out later because me and a tight hairstyle don't go together good. Once I have my ponytail intact, I just go ahead and mold my hair some more. I'm going to put some got to be spray on it just to brush it in and mold it in so that there aren't any knots or bumps anywhere. As I mentioned before, this is just a whole molding and shaping situation. You're going to be doing a lot of that, and it does take time, so if you're in a hurry, I don't recommend doing this hairstyle. The funny thing about doing this hairstyle is the fact that to have it done properly, you actually have to blow dry it or flat iron it if you want it really sleek. The only other option to that is that you're going to do it in really tiny sections. You're going to put the gel or jam on your hair in really small sections. That's the only other way you could get it flat. And even then, it's still going to be hard to grab up, if you get what I'm saying. Because once you start adding the jam or the gel to your hair, it starts reverting your hair start get back curly. So it's an important step to blow dry and flat iron it, but once you start adding the products, it start reverting. So it's just funny, that's the way it is. So you have to just try your best to work. It takes time, but you just have to try your best to work quickly in sections, and don't put the gel or the jam on all your hair at once. You have to do it as you go.
You don't necessarily have to use the wax stick. I just use it for like little flyaways and stuff, but if you don't have it, that's totally fine.
Branchy boy.
In my opinion, I just think that when your edges are done on your ponytail, it elevates the whole thing. It makes it look a lot better. I was just gonna use my hair to make the bun, but when I was doing it, it just looked a little too small for me, so I added this round thing that I used to make my buns look bigger. I know you can get them on Amazon. They have all different sizes. Once I put the bun in my hair, I just use some rubber bands to secure it. Another important step that you must take is tying down your hair. So as I mentioned before, don't do this in a rush. Do it when you have time, because I would say tie down your hair for at least 20 minutes so that it will actually stay in place and look good. This is what the hair is looking like after I have removed the scarf, and I'm really loving it.
that is pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment down below to let me know what you think. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to like and share the video. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.